Mancho Murigeria mo director na komboria na se kyo murikyo wi kyama kya UDA abegete kobi ya ODM timanyeti tokoska bosia sorobo tronde mujumbe we bunge ya Kiharu mheshimiwa Ndindi Nyoro igaesokire na gwichandra henchira rigori Ri'Amabuta riakindre egenta atebire nigo kigochia kwene kyo konga kubugima aso mwananchi kawaida kwa bari kyamangana kurwase chabisi chia ya somo cyo Nairobi Nyoro niko bona atebire ebitambo kirombiro rore serikali aise kobeka niko birache gokonya go KOBEKA eriyo na kwene kyabuna uchumi yense kogenderera senchire rengia
especially super petrol, diesel and kerosene from VAT, and consequently make all those products VAT exempt and move them to the first schedule. The other thing is that I've already written to the National Assembly on the intention of amending the road maintenance levy fund by abolishing the 7 shillings that was in the year 2024. Again, as I said before, this will give reprieve to Kenyans. The current diesel and super petrol should come down to around below 190 for a liter of either. The other thing that maybe it is important for me to highlight, which is building up to that price, is also the subsidy. Diesel, as you saw in the circular, the added cost is higher. And for those prices to come to the ranges I'm talking about, we must also provision 5 billion Kenya shillings from the Fuel Stabilization Fund so that we reduce diesel by around 24 shillings. That is why the math is coming to around 189 for diesel. All those measures will stabilize our economy in terms of not have a very erratic inflationary pressures, and also we are going to have some stability in the medium and long term. Failure to do that